Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Google Gemini AI video generate problem or Google Gemini video editing or video making or video editing is not available problem. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Long press or long tap in Google Gemini app. Go to Apps Info or I button. Click on Storage. Again click on Clear All Data. Tap on Clear All Data. Step 2. Open Play Store or Apps Store. Go to search icon. Search Google Gemini app. Update your Google Gemini application latest version. Step 3. Restart your device and again open it. Again open your Google Gemini app. You can follow all of the steps to fix Google Gemini AI video generating problem, creating problem, making or Google Gemini video editing available problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.